Hey guys, it's Husky Gamer. Halfway into the game here. So we got a strike, then a 7, missed the spare, guttered this ball, and now we're just getting ready for these. I'll make a video if I get 2 new balls, and I'll make a video reviewing them. Quite unlucky that one. Quite unlucky. So yeah, guys, this was my grandpa's from a long time ago. Hammer Urethane Blue. Quite old, actually. Pretty well, though, as you guys see. So we're set up for a spare. Right. So yeah, guys, sorry, but have my grandma help me with this. So yeah, you know, she's been a real big supporter of mine. This is very good. Quite unlucky. So yeah, sorry about the background work today. We're just beginning this new era on Husky Gamer. Bowling, gaming, and HVAC. Damn, guys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that one's quite unlucky. So yeah, we can try and set this up for a strike. Got her. Wow, embarrassing.
How about ready for Steve? Steve, you're ready.
Very embarrassing. Back to the Hammer Urethane Blue. Set for a spare. Very good, very good. So yeah. So far doing very good. Warm-up game's not going on plan though. Fine. Just my warm-up game. Let's go. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna use my Web MB hammer, guys. They got out of the pro shop for free. Some guy just abandoned it in there and didn't want it anymore. I got it. Yeah, guys. Very shitty right there. I'm gonna use my Storm Pyro next. Trying to pick up the spare. I'm gonna use this hammer, Black Widow Assassin. I got it. Not very well so far. Not very well at all. See, I got what I'm doing right now. It's just swiping off my ball. Sorry for keeping my head down, trying to not drop it and break it. That'd be unuseful on this weekend. Guys, so yeah. I'm gonna film every video of that league. Which I've always wanted to do a lead, guys, so y'all are gonna try to make it happen. My grandma's came out here and watched me many times. But that just did not grip. She did not grip at all. Here, let me help you. Yeah, there you go. You're not doing that good, guys. You're not doing that good. There we go. Got quite a few pins right there. I got 7 pins right there. Now we're up to 62. Guys, so yeah. Putting up my Storm High Road Max. Got this one for free. Trade a ball I didn't like for it. But I've loved this ball. Not very good. Gonna throw my hammer weapon at you guys. See if she does me dirty. Tried to throw a steamer right there. Kind of worked out. My favor. These urethane balls, I'm just loving them. I mean, I've just always loved urethane balls. So yeah, we're starting a new game, guys. Let's see what I do on this first frame. So yeah, guys, looks like we're gonna pick up a spare. Which, yeah, I don't mind spares, but I don't really like them because I can't usually pick them up. So yeah. Kid, wrong side. We're doing switch on. I forgot. So she gripped that time, guys. You always want to wipe off these Brunswick T-zones, guys. They just get too slippery if you don't wipe them off, and then you can't use it. 2 pins left. And screwed it. Nice, Cody. Use a nice baby, big blue. That's what we're gonna call this ball. So yeah, it's not cracked like the other ones I got for free. So it looks like we're gonna use this one in leads. Yeah, I got some 9 pins, got 1 pin left. We can definitely pick up the spare here. And yeah, we picked up the spare, guys. guys, picked up the spare right there. What lane am I on? Yeah, I'm on the right one. Sorry guys, sometimes I get confused since I do switch lane a lot. Tried to do something epic, guys. Didn't work out in my favor, like usual. Hopefully you can pick up the spare right here. So yeah, guys. Sorry you didn't see that one. We got 2 darts in a row. So yeah, guys, we're gonna throw the Storm High Road Max. Yeah, guys. If you want to buy this ball, it's a great ball for beginners like me. But I'm just needing some stuff for leagues that would help me in leagues more. Yeah, guys, that's how you do it. We're gonna see what Big Blue can do to finish off the spare. So yeah, guys, I watched a lot of house bowling the last few days, so that's where I get some of this from. Get the spare, but yeah, we're at 26. I need to step it up. Boom, baby, that's how you do it. Sorry about rock. Looking a little weird, guys. I was just doing like a rock on type thing. Keep going. Even when you get down, you gotta get back up when you're bowling. So a few people get inspired by me, and a few people have liked what I've done. Yeah. Just like the video. Yeah, guys, that sure was a skewer. It's about a 14-pound hammer wet bait. HB, right? Or MB. MB, guys, MB, sorry. I'm using my headphones as my microphone, guys. Let's see if we can pick up the spare. Yeah. There we go. Time for Big Blue. Deer thing. It's very oily, very fast, guys. So if you ever buy urethane balls, you want to wipe them down. So yeah, guys, let's just do a hammer 11. It's like a pin up. This is a pin up ball. A strong layout position. because as you see, guys, if you do it like this, that's a strong layout, which is what I need when I'm throwing balls. Come on. Just had to put a little bit more left. Had to put a little bit more left and I would have had it. So far we're at 68, guys. So far we're at 68, guys. So on the 7th we got a 6 gutter. We got a spare in the 6. Then we got a strike, 8 spare. 8, I mean gutter. Gutter, spare, and then an 8 gutter. So yeah, guys. We're not doing too well, but also not doing too bad. So yeah, guys, that's part 2. There's gonna be a part 2 coming. I'll see you guys soon.